Hi everyone, this is Inna from Comprehensible Russian. Considering current situation with coronavirus and a lot of people staying at home, I decided to make free Russian lessons for beginners to practice listening to live, spontaneous, native Russian speech using comprehensible input. It means that I make everything to be understood without any translations. For example, I use a whiteboard and I draw to demonstrate what I'm saying. I use maps, pictures, graphics, and so on, calendar, and I even sometimes act a bit. So the lessons have begun on March 26th, but you can join at any time. They will be until the end of April, twice a week, on Wednesdays and Thursdays. So I will place the timing on the screen so you can see what time it would be in your time zone. To join, you don't have to have any special program, you just join from your web browser. And you need to use the link below this video in the description. If you think that it's a good initiative, please thumbs up. If you watch my videos and you're still not subscribed, please subscribe, and don't forget the bell button, because otherwise you will not have any notifications from YouTube and you can miss some special offers from me, like this one. Well, take care, join the free Russian sessions, do something useful with your time at home. Пока-пока.